Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. For today's video, I'm bringing you guys my Louis Vuitton handbag collection. That's right, I've been meaning to do this video for a really long time. And I've been recently collecting Louis Vuitton handbags. It's only been 2 years. So I don't have that many bags, but I feel like I just have enough to put together in a video like this and talk about it. So I'm really excited, and I personally just love watching these collection videos because you get to see so many different bags in just one video as opposed to watching like 1 or 2 bags per video, you know what I mean? So it's just a lot of fun. It saves a lot of time, honestly. So here is my version of that video, and just so you guys know, just FYI, I'm not going to be including any of the SLGs in this particular video because I feel like it's just going to be too long and just kind of all over the place. It's not going to be a lot of fun. So I will have another video just dedicated to talking about SLGs, which will go up next week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. And another thing I want to mention is that throughout my channel, you may have seen me unbox a few other bags than what I'm going to show you in this video. And that is because I don't have those bags with me anymore. So I've either sold it or I returned it or something happened to them. And I'm gonna do a separate video just talking about those bags. So stay tuned for that. And that's another reason for you guys to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel by hitting the big fat red button down below. And while you're down there, give this video a big thumbs up as well. I would really appreciate it. And now, without further ado, let's jump on to talking about my very first Louis Vuitton handbag. Alright, so starting with the very first handbag for today, this bag is the Louis Vuitton Riverside, and it's indeed very special to me because it was this bag that started everything for me here on YouTube as well as in my life. So this was actually my wedding present from my husband. So it's very near and dear to my heart. And my very first video here on YouTube channel was also about this bag. It was reviewing this bag for you guys. So I will leave a link to that video in the description box down below. So check it out if you're interested. But basically this bag is very special to me and I really love it. It's very pretty, as you can see. And I get tons and tons of compliments every time I wear this bag. So I really love it. And as you can see, this bag is in the Damier Ebene canvas with a gorgeous red, kind of like wine red color. And I'm going to quickly show you what the bag looks like on the inside. So here's the glimpse of the bag on the inside. I have my strap in this section here, but basically the bag has 3 big compartments. So two big compartments and a 1 middle zipper section. It's also got a slip pocket in the back, and then it's also got another big slip pocket in the front. So that's the bag in the nutshell. There's nothing on the back at all. And the bag has 5 feet, which I really love because not very many bags have 5 feet. So yeah, that's basically the bag in the nutshell. And I really love this bag. It's been wearing really good for the most part. It did stretch out the handles a little bit, but it's not too bad. And as far as the hardware is concerned, there's no tarnishing at all. So I'm really surprised about that because I've really used this bag quite a bit. And the good thing about this bag is that it's really big and it does fit a laptop as well, 13-inch laptop to be precise. So this bag does fit a laptop, so I think it's just perfect for work. And yeah, this is basically my very first handbag, and it's honestly my forever piece because, like I said, it's my very first bag. It started all of my journey in the luxury world, in the luxury handbag world, as well as here on YouTube. So I love this bag and I'm gonna be keeping it forever. second bag for today. This is my Neverfull in the Monogram canvas. So this bag is my second Louis Vuitton bag, and I got this bag shortly after I got my Riverside in the same year, so in 2019, and I think sometime in September or October or August, September, something like that is when I got this bag. And honestly, when I went to get this bag, I wanted to get the demi bean print, but since I already had the demi bean already, I didn't want to go for the same print, so that's why I went with Monogram. So I got the Monogram with red interior, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, I use this bag with an organizer. I think it just works out really great because this bag is huge. And yeah, I really love it. And yeah, I just wish that the straps were a little bit longer than what they are right now. It's not too bad, but I feel like sometimes I find myself really struggling with the strap, especially when the bag is filled up to the brim. But yeah, other than that, there's really nothing wrong with this bag. I just really love it. This bag also comes with a pouch, which as you can see, I don't have with me anymore. And that's because I ended up selling the pouch. I was really excited that I was getting 2 pieces for the price of 1. And I kept it with me for several months after getting the bag, but I never re-shopped for it at all. And then it was just sitting in my closet doing nothing. So I ended up selling it to Fashionphile. And I honestly have no regrets at all because I got good price for it, and it means that it only made the price of the bag a little bit cheaper. So I'm very happy. This bag is really mainly my travel bag, honestly, because it's just really huge, and right now we're not really going anywhere. Anyways, we're all working from home. So recently I've not been using this bag as much as I want to, but I feel like sooner or later I'm going to start using this bag a lot more. And one thing about the vachetta is that it's definitely a little bit difficult using vachetta, because you have to be careful with rain because you don't want any water spots and things like that. So it hasn't been that bad. It's definitely a little bit difficult considering that I mainly use this bag for traveling. And when you're traveling, you don't know what to expect, what kind of weather to expect. So yeah, other than that, there was no complaints whatsoever. The bag has been wearing very beautiful as well. There's really no wear and tear at all, other than just a little patina that you see on the top here. So yeah, other than that, this bag is amazing. I really love it. And yeah, I just really love the red interior as well. Now moving on to the third bag of mine. Shortly after I got my Neverfull is when I ended up getting my Alma BB, and oh gosh, I'm so happy I did. It was one of my best decisions ever because I just really love this bag, and I think you guys would know how much I love this bag if you guys have been following me for a while, because I think I've mentioned it multiple times on my channel that I am just in love head over heels with this bag. And every time I look at this bag, I'm like, why did I get this sooner? Like, why didn't I get this as my wedding present or something? But anyways, there's this bag, and I'm gonna quickly show you what it looks like. So I have my strap inside. So that's what the strap is. And it's got a really gorgeous red interior. I think by now you guys must have figured out I am a sucker for red interior. This bag has a little back pocket, but other than that, there is no other organization whatsoever. And obviously there are bag organizers available for this bag as well, but I didn't really want to buy it because this bag is really small itself already, and then organizer also takes up a little space. So that's the reason I didn't buy any organizer for this bag. But this bag really holds quite a bit. It holds all of my essentials plus a little bit more. So I really love this bag. I adore it. In fact, I love this bag so much that I'm thinking of adding the World Tour version of this bag into my collection. We'll see how it goes, but for now, I just want to quickly point out that the wear and tear of this bag has been super duper amazing. I have carried this bag so much. I have taken it to like vacations and several places. I've used it in rain, in snow, in all different kinds of weathers, in hot sun, with lotions on, perfumes on, everything. But the wear and tear has been super duper amazing, and I'm just really excited, so happy. I think you can see a little bit of wear on the inside. You can see some marks, and I honestly don't know where the marks came from, but other than that, it has just been amazing. I don't think I've shown you the bottom, but that's what the bottom looks like. And obviously there is like a tiny bit of wear and tear on these little tabs, not the tabs, but like the feet. But other than that, even the bottom looks in a mint condition. And yeah, I'm just very happy that I added this into my collection because I'm very, very fond of it and I just love it so, so, so much. Now moving on, my fourth bag is this little cutie here. This is the Speedy Nano. And honestly, it took me so long to get my hands on this bag. I have like an entire video kind of talking about, you know, unboxing it and talking about how I got this bag. So make sure you check it out. I will leave lots and lots of links for you guys in the description box down below. And yeah, so check out those videos. But basically what I was saying is that it took me so long to get my hands on this bag. Everybody really wanted it. And I think I got it, when did I get it? I think the summer of last year, something like that. But I used it a ton in the summer. I've used it so much because it's just really easy. You just throw it on yourself and you're good to go. It is so light, so you can even use it when you are going for a walk, like a quick walk or something, and you just want your phone, keys, and like a little wallet or something. So I think this bag is just perfect. It's kind of tiny, but honestly it fits so much. I'm gonna quickly show you what it looks like on the inside. Whoops, don't want to drop it, but that's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a big black hole. Honestly, it's so tiny, but it really fits so much, and it fits so much to the point that things kind of get lost inside, which is, I guess, a pro of the bag. But yeah, I really love this bag. I'm planning to do another separate video just talking about the wear and tear on this bag, so stay tuned for that, which reminds me that you should totally subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. But basically, just if I tell you in a short version that the wear and tear on this bag has been good. Obviously there's more patina on the strap compared to the handles, which I don't know why, because I do sometimes hold it, you know, with handles too, so it's not like I never touch the handles at all. But other than that, this bag has been amazing. It's a cutie pie. I love it. And yeah, if you don't have one yet, you should totally consider getting it. It's definitely a little bit hard to get it, but I think it's just super amazing. I love it, and it's just so cute. And hopefully someday, if I have a daughter, then I would love to pass it on to her because this is just super duper amazing. Now last but certainly not the least is this bag right here. This is my Pochette accessoire, and this bag actually comes with a strap which I have on the inside. So I will quickly put the strap on just so that you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what the bag looks like with a strap. It's a perfect, like a shoulder bag, just like this. It's nice, it's little, it's cute. But honestly, I have never really used this bag just as a shoulder bag. I've always ended up using it as a crossbody. And I have a few different strap options when it comes to this bag. I sometimes end up using this black crossbody bag strap that I have with this, and I also end up using like the chain strap with this bag. I'll show you some more shots so you guys can see what it looks like. But basically, this bag is really easy. You just quickly throw on yourself, and it fits a lot. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. I have what do you call this, like a bubble wrap inside, but that's what it looks like on the inside. It's just got this slip pocket here in the back, and it's not that small. It's really nice, and I usually put like a little card holder or something in there, so it's very nice. It's very roomy, it fits a lot, and it's got a nice depth to it too. So on the whole, this bag is very versatile. I think you can use it as a bag if you want to, but you can also use it as a catch-all in a bigger bag. So I don't think I've ever used it as a catch-all, honestly, even in my Neverfull, but if you wanted to do it, you could totally do that. It took me a long time, to be honest, to find this bag online. I was persistently checking online and just refreshing the page, and then I finally was able to get it. I think I have an entire video kind of talking about how I got this bag. So if you're interested, I will also leave a link to it in the description box down below. But yeah, that's basically it when it comes to this bag. Wear and tear on this bag is just really amazing too. Honestly, I see nothing. Like, there's honestly no wear and tear at all. This bag is still in a mint condition. I think if you take this and put it into the store to be sold, then it would, you know, be sold right away. That's how perfectly good condition it is. I think the only part that has gotten a little bit of patina is this this little tab here, because obviously that one is exposed more, and the fact that I've used this bag mainly as a crossbody, which means that I don't really use the strap that much. That's why there's a difference in patina between this strap and this little tab here. But yeah, other than that, there's not much else to say about this bag. When I got this one, I honestly don't remember when I got it, but when I got this one, it was, I believe, either 400 something or 500 something. And since then, the price of this bag has increased twice already. Right now, if I remember correctly, I think it is 700 something, which is, oh my gosh, so much. But yeah, I'm just really glad I got it when I did, because now it's just selling like hotcakes and it's just super hard to find it. But yeah, other than that, I just love this bag, and I think I've said it, like I say I love this bag about all of them, but it's true, I really do love all of them, and I'm so glad I have this little but mighty collection that I keep using and I keep enjoying. And yeah, other than that, that is it for today's video. These were my 5 handbags that I use interchangeably. I'm so proud of them, so happy for them. And like I said, that do stay tuned for my upcoming SLG collection video, where I will talk about my just only SLGs. And yeah, other than that, that really does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your love, support, and friendship. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing by hitting the red button down below. I'll see you guys now in my next video very, very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.